Sam and Ron here with a Perfectly Imperfect Marriage and wanted to talk to you a little bit about
our newsletter. So we have a monthly newsletter that we would love to share with you. You do have to subscribe, but it does cost you nothing, $0. So what we share are 3 quick pointers because we're all short on time.
Yeah, life is busy.
Very much so. So we hit on 3 key topics. What God says, which is most important. What we have to share with you, some pointers on ways to connect in your marriage, because that's kind of what we do. And then lastly, what we're up to, because we could all use a little encouragement when we're all walking through different seasons. So we'd like to share a little bit of that with you.
So below in the description section is a link to the newsletter. Again, no cost, so sign up for the newsletter. Now, in addition to that link, we wrote a 31-day marriage devotional not too long ago, and we offer this on our website. Often there will be a link in the description, but similar to the newsletter, we have a 7-day no-cost marriage devotional that we would love to offer to you as a gift. And again, the link is in the description below. And really, these tools are for you to read, share with your spouse, and ideally, edify, grow, and build a stronger marriage together.
Yeah, remember, these are $0 because they're our gift to you. We would like to help you, come alongside of you, and show you that you need to grow.
Well, until next time.